Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to power off or restart your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. So all you have to do is just press and hold the volume down key and the power key or the side button together like this, and you will get this option. Now from here, if you want to turn off your phone, just tap on power off and then tap on power off again, and your phone will shut down. Now you can also do this from the top screen. So if you swipe from the top screen with two fingers like this, you'll get this option. Now just tap on this power icon and you'll get the same option, and from here you can turn off your device, or you can also restart your device. Now to restart, just tap on restart and then tap on restart again, and as you can see, the phone is now restarting. Now if you have shut down your phone and you want to start it up, all you need to do is just press and hold the power key only, and that will turn on or start your phone. And that is how you can turn off or restart your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.